Setting up emergency access to your password vault is an essential step to ensure that someone you trust can access your accounts in case of an emergency. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set this up securely, step by step, and explain why it's so important. Stay tuned till the end, because we'll cover a crucial tip on choosing the right emergency access method and give you a special offer to help you secure your vault. To get started, first, let's talk about the basics. Emergency access allows a trusted person to access your password vault if something happens to you. This could be a serious health issue or an unexpected emergency. The software we'll be using makes it easy to set this up, and it's a great way to keep your information protected even in unexpected situations. Once you've selected the right vault software, I'll tell you which one I recommend in just a second, log into your account and navigate to the settings or security section. Look for an option like emergency access or trusted contacts. If you can't find it right away, check the help section of the software for emergency access or account recovery. This feature should be included in most top password vault tools. Now, when you're in the emergency access section, you'll need to designate a trusted contact. This is someone you want to have access in case of an emergency. Choose someone you trust completely because they'll be able to manage your vault when you can't. Enter their contact details carefully, and the software will usually require them to authenticate their identity with a unique code or password reset. The next step is to decide on the access permissions for your trusted contact. Depending on the software, you might be able to give them full access to all your passwords, or you may only allow them to access certain accounts. For instance, you can grant them emergency access to banking details or medical accounts, but restrict other less sensitive accounts. Make sure you're clear on what permissions you want to set. In most cases, after setting the permissions, your trusted contact will need to verify that they accept the role. Some password vaults may require them to confirm via email or phone before they can be granted access. This is an extra layer of security that prevents unauthorized people from being added to your emergency contacts. Once that's done, it's time to test it. It's crucial that both you and your trusted contact verify that the emergency access process works smoothly. Try the emergency access method once to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This ensures no hiccups if you ever need to use it. Before I move on, here's a pro tip. Some password vaults allow you to choose multiple emergency contacts, so if one can't be reached, you have a backup. Consider adding more than one trusted person, especially if your vault contains highly sensitive information. Now, if you're wondering which vault software to use, I've tested a variety of the most popular ones, and the software I recommend has the best combination of security and emergency access features. You can grab an exclusive free trial of the software I'm using today. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of this channel. In summary, setting up emergency access to your password vault involves choosing a trusted contact, setting permissions, confirming access, and testing the process to ensure everything works smoothly. Don't forget to add multiple contacts for extra security. This is an essential step to protect your sensitive data, especially in emergency situations. Key takeaway: setting up emergency access ensures your important information is safe and accessible when you can't access it yourself. It's a simple process, but one that's worth doing now, so you can have peace of mind knowing your vault is secure and your loved ones have the access they need in case of an emergency. And before I wrap up, make sure you grab that exclusive free trial link in the description below to follow along with me and start securing your password vault today. Thanks for watching.